Oh man. Hey guys, what's up? I'm just trying to let my eyes settle back in. Oh, I was outside. I went and walked around the circle. And plus, it's hot as fuck out. More hotter than more hotter than Sophia Carson in that One Piece in Adventures in Babysitting. God damn, I love that scene. Hmm. Oh, sorry. Oh, shut up. She was 23 when she did that movie. Shut up. That was back in 2016. She was 23. Shut up. Yeah, because I think that movie came out in 2016. Yeah. Oh. Oh, man. This is... Oh. It came in. This is my 2004... My 2004 Wisconsin State Quarter. And on the back is the cow. It's not an extra leaf. The extra leaf one is an error. This is not an error one, unfortunately. But I'm still happy to have it in part of my collection. Now I forgot which mint market it is, and it is a Philadelphia, and it's a Wisconsin State Quarter. I am so glad to have a Wisconsin State Quarter in my collection. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I wonder if it's shiny at all, or if it's a dirty. It's a dirty shame, and it's a lame. Sorry. Oh, it doesn't look that bad of shape. My Wisconsin 2004 state quarter. So yeah, and Wisconsin was founded, became a state in 1848. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, you can see the cow on the back. Do cute, do cute. What's called a cow? And there's a thing of cheese right there, and a stalk of corn. But yeah, it says forward on the bottom. Well, in the middle. So yeah, it's a 2004 Wisconsin State Quarter, Philadelphia. I I wanted one of these because my niece had one, so I wanted to get one in my collection. I think she might have a Denver though. This one is from Dennis Anker, Acker, or something like that. Shut up, Peter. You shut up. Freaking sweet. I don't know why, but I find it so appealing. Peter, shut the fuck up. Fuck you. I remember that when they bought Peter the polite stairs or something like that. So when he fell down the stairs, and instead of cussing, he was like, "Ooh, ah, ooh, ooh, that feels good. Ooh, ah, that feels nice. Ooh, ah, that feels good. Oh, that feels so nice, you know." And he was like, "Oh, oh." So yeah, that moment that moment made me fucking laugh. Okay. Oh, cool. It's another stamp that I want to take off of there. Then LP coins. Ah. Oh, I hope you do more business with us. Oh, I probably will. I probably will. Thank you very much. Grace Mission. Yeah, I guess. I think I had ordered from them before. I'm not sure. I don't think. Wait, I don't think I have. You okay out there?
No, I'm dying.
Very. Really. Being a smartass out there. Yeah, I was, but I'm letting my phone charge. It'll probably be rescheduled for later on tonight because it's supposed to be a Saturday night live stream, not afternoon. I meant to put it for later on, because yeah, because I requested. I was like, yeah, I was like, can you make it a 1981 Denver? And they're like, oh, okay, because I already have both 1980 Philadelphia and Denver, so. It's a shame that this fucking letter got ripped. And I actually liked the letter. Like, why did they have to use fucking tape on paper? I'll still keep that fucking paper though. But yeah. I know, ridiculous, right? I haven't seen something so ridiculous since Ridiculous stayed at the store. Yeah, prices then were ridiculous. My name is Cleveland Brown, and I am here to stay. Do 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 do. It is a Cleveland show. Brian, you are a dog. Yeah, no shit. Ugh. This damn thing, they like really fucking taped it in there. I I might have to fucking get the scissors on this shit. I'll be right back. Damn it! Not right now. I mean, they packed it in there, and it kind of looks like something I cannot say on YouTube right now. Or it looks like a bandage that you put on your knee if you have a scraped knee or a cut open knee. Yeah. Oh, you're done now.
Can I pull up my fucking clothes?
I'm recording an unboxing video.
Oh, damn, William.
Sorry. She was in the bathroom using it. Now I'll be back.
Here.
Thank you. Look at this shit, Trina. They taped it in there. And I'm like, what the fuck? And it looks like a bandage that you put on an open wound. I actually think this might be uncirculated. And let's see. It is. Oh, yeah. I believe that is uncirculated, I believe. Look at that beautiful son of a bitch there. My 1981 Denver dime. I'm really happy. Oh yeah, the sides are like sharp, so that means it's uncirculated. When the sides of a coin are sharp, like, and you feel like you'll cut yourself, yeah, that usually means that the coin's uncirculated. So yeah, I mean, I still have a couple circulated quarters that the sides are sharp, but they're still, unless this was barely circulated. But yeah, my 1981 Denver dime. Yeah. Oh man. Yeah. It's all about the money, money, money. It's about your mom. Oh. There we go. Okay, now this one, on the other hand, I think I know what it is. I wonder if it's from Scarletto. Yep, Scarletto Enterprises, or Scarlo Enterprises. I think it's Scarletto. Yeah, I order from them a lot of the time, and I never ever have. I'm never ever disappointed. Um, it's the one coin I ordered from them. That's where I got a lot of my Mint Silo sets from. Was from Scarletto. And he has never, and my 1905 Indian head penny I got from him, and he has never once let me down. I was never disappointed by receiving a coin from him. I feels awfully big for that. Oh, probably because it's in a paper. Let me see what it says. Order date was June 12th, and it just got here today. Philadelphia Lincoln Still Wheat Cent. Oh, okay. Average circulated. A message from Scarletto Enterprises. Thank you for your purchase. Please visit us at scarlora.com. Or you could go to their eBay page, This guy never let me down. He never has. And he actually uses reasonable tape, too. Sorry, I just had to make that joke. Yeah, I couldn't find out what's the name was the bad guy, not someone else. Yeah. Oh, really? So, let me get this straight. You want to be rude to Andy, and you want to do a whole bunch of things and harass him because, oh, look at me, I'm the guy at the fucking military school, and I'm a fucking asshole. Blah 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 blah. For that, I want you to scrub this floor in the kitchen. I want you to scrub the floor with a fucking toothbrush. You and that other asshole. And if you guys don't do it, you guys are going to give me 150 laps. Yeah. Oh. Yep, that's a big 3. And it's a Philadelphia. And it's in pretty good shape. Not bad. Not bad. And there it is. My 1943 Philadelphia Still Penny. Oh, yeah. And oh, by the way, there is an error where it was made out of copper. Those errors, do not spin them because they're worth a fortune. But yeah. Oh, man. Smells good, too. Well, it smells like clay. So, yeah. A 1943 Still Penny. Nice. And it's a Philadelphia. And I have a 43 Denver. So that's all you need to do is get a 43 San Francisco. I have all 3 of them from that year. So yeah. Goodbye everybody. I'll probably make another video later.